Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a cootie catcher. First, what you need to do is get a piece of paper. If it's not a perfect square, right here in this video I'll show you how to make it a square. So you already folded it in half, and that extra piece you're going to fold it at the very edge. And with this you're going to cut the extra piece off of the folded square. And then after, you can just throw away that strip. It's useless in the video. After you have your square, you're just going to fold the corners to each other in half. Since you already did it the first side, all you have to do is the other side. And you should have an X mark. Then you're going to fold each corner into the middle, basically turning it into a smaller square. They should look like this. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over in the side that doesn't have any folds, and you're basically going to do the same thing, just folding the corners in the middle, basically turning it into another small square. Make sure it's the flat side that doesn't have any like folds at all. I messed up, so that's why it kind of looks creased, because I did it on the wrong end, but it should be on the flat end. And then after that, once you have all of those folded, I'll show you in a second how it's supposed to look. So that's the flat side, doesn't have any folds. And then you flip it over, and you see those little flaps. That's where your fingers will go in. Just showing you all how it's supposed to look. Then what you have to do is just fold it in half on one side, hot dog style. And just make sure that you're creasing the very bottom of the end. And then after, I'm just showing you to fold it again, but on the other end, hot dog style. So you should have folded it twice. This is just to make it better. And then you can insert your fingers in the little pocket holes that you made. And you can do two hands or one hand. I do two hands in the example. You can fold it, and it should look like that. And you're able to decorate it and put whatever designs you want on it, however you'd like. But it should be easy to maneuver. And I just show you how it's supposed to look like on the bottom. Kind of like a little star, like a little square. And then how it's supposed to look like at the top. But yeah. And then I unfold everything so that you see what numbers or things that you can put on. That's why there's 8 spots. And then there should be 4 other spots underneath that so that you can write whatever you want on there. If this video was helpful, please like and comment. Thank you.